Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily update Bigo Live app to its latest version, or how if you want to check an update on Bigo Live, how to do that. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. First of all, look at the Bigo app and you can see if it needs an update. Go to the App Store or Play Store, and at the bottom right is the search, and at the top search for Bigo Live like this, and once you do search it up, you can see it says open. But if it says update where it says open, simply tap on that update, and that is how you can update Bigo Live app to its latest version. Otherwise, in my scenario, it is already updated. And that is it for today. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.